Joe's back.
Hello, I'm back at the lovely Olive Street job. So, we've been gone for a while. We got some major progress going on as far as digging out the basement. It was a much bigger job than we intended, but the guys are making good progress. If you want to take a look over here.
Here we can see the original structure of the house. We go from the top floor, you can see Julia Child's old kitchen colors coming down, about halfway down where we're building, and then continuing on further down there's a whole other foundation here which lends credence to the theory that this was an entirely separate part of the house, or a new house, or maybe even an old house. As you can see, life was not too bad back in the 1800s. Actually, there's a feeling it might even be the 1700s way down here.
Hey.
Foundation before we put in the concrete wall.
The wall is all the way down to the footing. You're still on...
It's a really old wall, probably about 300 years old.
Basement now. Dug all that out, poured new CMU wall with concrete, filled, we did underpinning underneath the side walls to help carry. We wanted to get back to keep this thing moving. Ideally it would have been nice to be able to start from the ground up, but we want to get this job done. So we're going to go ahead and do it in sections. Now we're here on the first floor as you walk in. We already originally had this finished. Now we're going to work on the second floor. Right now we are tying in to this beam up here. As you can see.
You're meant to be working. You're meant to be working, mate.
Getting ready for the second floor to be installed. Okay. So we're going to get half of this floor done today. We'll finish the other half on Monday, possibly Tuesday at the latest. And then we're going to get the interior walls framed in on the first floor. Take care of all that. And then we're going to go ahead and sister all the exterior walls all the way around with new 2x6 studs. After we do this, then we work on this roof up here. We have to put new LVLs across the ridge beam here to help carry this, because we're going to do a cathedral ceiling in here now. So we'll have nice tall ceilings in your second floor bedrooms. And that is the plan for the next 2 to 3 weeks. And we will get back to you soon.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Second floor is starting.
Good?
Rebracing the wall. Letting it back straight again. Here comes the first floor. Or the upper floor, should I say. Top floor is beginning to take shape. As promised, now the second floor upstairs, the bedrooms. It's the 2 back bedrooms, or 2 front bedrooms as the case may be, is now in as promised. We're looking at a 2/3 finished basement. You see we have the first floor, which has been done for a while. We've been using that, and now we have the bedroom floor above that, and this is where the guys will be working for the next couple of weeks. Max and his crew will be here next week for the next 6 weeks, cleaning up the outside, scraping off all this old paint. Looking forward to some major changes in the next 6 weeks. I'm going to be away for the next couple of weeks, actually 3 weeks, back in Papua New Guinea, enjoying the Mount Hagen Festival, which should be an amazing trip. The guys will be back here. Joe and his crew still continuing upstairs with the cathedral ceilings and shoring up the walls. Max will be here starting to scrape off the paint on the outside, and we'll start seeing some new colors and the beautification of the house, at least from the external point. And hopefully by then the concrete guys and the basement will be finally finished. So look forward to the next episode. Thanks. Keep tuning in.